Chapter 3. See what love the Father has given us, that we should be called children of Elohim. For this reason the world does not know us, because it did not know him. Beloved ones, now we are children of Elohim, and it has not yet been revealed what we shall be. But we know that when he is revealed, we shall be like him, for we shall see him as he is. And everyone having this expectation in him cleanses himself as he is clean. Everyone doing sin also does lawlessness, and sin is lawlessness. And you know that he was manifested to take away our sins, and in him there is no sin. Everyone staying in him does not sin. Everyone sinning has neither seen him nor known him. Little children, let no one lead you astray. The one doing righteousness is righteous, even as he is righteous. The one doing sin is of the devil, because the devil has sinned from the beginning. For this purpose, the Ben of Yahuah was manifested to destroy the works of the devil. Everyone having been born of Elohim does not sin, because his seed stays in him, and he is powerless to sin, because he has been born of Elohim. In this, the children of Elohim and the children of the devil are manifest. Everyone not doing righteousness is not of Elohim, neither the one not loving his brother. Because this is a message that you heard from the beginning, that we should love one another, not as Cain, who was of the wicked one and killed his brother. And why did he kill him? Because his works were wicked, but those of his brother were righteous. Do not marvel, my brothers, if the world hates you. We know that we have passed out of death into height, because we love the brothers. The one not loving his brother stays in death. Everyone hating his brother is a murderer, and you know that no murderer has everlasting chai staying in him. By this we have known love, because he laid down his chai for us, and we ought to lay down life for the brothers. But whoever has this world's goods and sees his brother in need and shuts up his tender affections from him, how does the love of Elohim stay in him? My little children, let us not love in word or in tongue, but in deed and in truth. And by this we know that we are of the truth, and shall put our hearts at rest before him. That if our heart condemns us, Yahuah is greater than our heart and knows all. Beloved ones, if our heart does not condemn us, we have boldness towards Yahuah. And whatever we ask, we receive from him, because we guard his commands and do what is pleasing in his sight. And this is his command, that we should believe in the name of his Ben, Yeshua HaMashiach, and love one another as he gave us command. And the one guarding his commands stays in him, and he in him. And by this we know that he stays in us, by the Ruach which he gave us.